Hello, and welcome to Becoming a Master Designer. This series will describe how to design a stunning document using any software from start to finish. These videos will focus on the basics of good information design, specifically information architecture. What is information architecture? It involves organizing, structuring, and labeling information in an easy-to-follow manner. You can create a great document in Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or even PowerPoint if you learn to apply and leverage proper design principles. So no matter what program you use, your documents will be easy to read, nice to look at, and will make your deliverables stand out amongst others. First, we'll take a look at the Gestalt Principles, as they will be the foundation to the design tips shared in this video series. What are the Gestalt Principles? They are principles that describe how the human eye perceives visual information. Gestalt means shape or form in German. There are 6 or more Gestalt principles, but we'll keep it simple by showing you how to use the 4 most crucial and common ones used for creating and structuring documents. The 4 Gestalt principles that we will be focusing on are similarity, continuity, proximity, and symmetry and order. Similarity is all about how the human eye tends to build relationships between similar elements in design. This grouping of similar objects can be achieved by using basic elements like color, shape, and size. As humans, we naturally want to categorize and group similar things together, so keeping the principle of similarity in mind while designing can help your audience understand which items belong together. Continuity refers to how we follow paths, lines, and curves in designs. We prefer to see continuously flowing visual elements rather than separate objects. We also see elements on a line or curve as more related until they are interrupted. We're always searching to form patterns, so by utilizing continuity, you can help guide people through your document while also establishing relationships between elements. Proximity is about how we see objects that are closer together as more related than those further apart. We naturally want to group elements so visual distance defines relatedness. By controlling the proximity between information or objects on a page, we can visually distinguish between different groups. In short, by placing information closer together, your audience will see those elements as related to one another. Symmetry and order is a fundamental element to follow when creating a well-designed document. It is important to create balance and order in a document because we generally prefer when a design is made up of equivalent parts that combine to make a whole. Elements in a design have visual weight. This means that elements that are different sizes can disrupt symmetry and order in a design. When understanding how elements of different sizes can be perceived as symmetrical, you can create a sense of balance and order within your document. As you go through this video series, keep these principles in mind. We'll take you through the page layouts, margins, white space, color choices, and creating hierarchy. Anyone can simply create a document, but you can go a step further to create well thought out documents and designs that will impress employers, clients, coworkers, and users.